Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add chat page into your app. The chat page allows your users to chat through popular third-party chat messengers like Skype, Snapchat, WeChat, WhatsApp, etc. Now let's see how to add the page. Enter app name, select category, and click on next. If you want, you can add your website here. Now select the design as per your needs and click on next. Now let's add chat page into your app. Click on view all here, search chat page and add it. If you want, you can change the page name from here. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to content section. Click here if you want to add chat feature from chat room. In Firebase data URL field, enter the URL. You can refer to our tutorial how to obtain your Firebase data URL here to find your Firebase data URL. Here's how your Firebase data URL will look like. Now enter your chat room name. Click on browse button to upload chat room icon of your own. From here you can delete the chat room. Click on add chat room button to add multiple chat rooms. Click on this icon to delete the chat room. If you want to add the chat feature from Skype, click on this icon. In Skype section, enter the Skype name. Click on this icon if you want to add chat feature from WeChat. Enter the WeChat name in WeChat section. Next comes WhatsApp. Click here to add chat feature from WhatsApp. Now enter the name of your WhatsApp chat. If you want, you can add chat feature from Snapchat by clicking this icon. Now enter the Snapchat name. Last but not least, Line. Click this icon to add its chat feature. Finally, enter your Line chat name. Click here to delete the particular chat. Now let's move to language settings section. Here you can check all the current button labels being displayed on your app. If you want, you can change the labels from here. Once done, click on save and continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.